Well, one of our gCADPlus users has suggested that we add a new toolbar to gCADPlus. He finds working on a plant schedule and a design such as this a little tedious. In order to set the plant schedule up, you first attach a GCP file, you'd want a tool to remove it, edit the plant list and so on. So all the tools necessary to create the schedule that you see on the right are here. Most of them, but not all. We'll add some more in the next release of gCADPlus. Most of them have a little icon with them, and what he'd like is for all of these to be added to a custom toolbar. So let's see. In fact, he would like a unique toolbar, perhaps called Plant Schedule, that he can load and float wherever he wants on the screen. But just for the moment, I'd like to demonstrate how relatively easy it is to alter that custom toolbar and add the tools that you need for creating a plant schedule. And to do that, it's View and Toolbars, and we'll come across to the right of this dialog box and pick Custom Toolbar, and there's the calculator, which I like to leave on there. But we'd now want to add some things to the custom toolbar. The first thing we'd want is to attach a GCP file. So we can scroll through here and we look as though we've repeated that. Two of these, we'll fix these up in our next release as well. We have two entries for the icon to attach the toolbar. So we select it and throw it there. We want an icon to remove it. And then what do we want next? If we have to rely on memory here, we would set data to a plant would be our next step. Set data to a plant and so on. So let's OK that for the moment. And can you see now we have effectively what he's asking for. We can attach a GCP file there, we can remove one, and we can set data to a plant. So it's possible to gather all these together and work with the custom toolbar to do what he's asking for. I think it's a good suggestion, and in the next release of gCADPlus we'll try and have a plant schedule toolbar